Split systems are specially designed to eliminate fan noise and heat exhaust from refrigerated wine cellars. In this refrigeration unit, the evaporator unit is separated from the condensing unit, thus promoting flexibility in wine cellar cooling installation, as well as providing reliable and quiet operation. The evaporator unit of CellarPro split systems is mounted inside the wine cellar, while the condensing part is remotely located up to 75 feet away. Split systems by CellarPro utilize a line set, electrical wiring and copper tubing, and drain line to connect the evaporator and condenser. There are 3 models available. The CellarPro 4000 series is ideal for custom wine cellars up to 1,000 cubic feet in size. Measuring 16.6 inches wide, 12.6 inches deep, and 22.1 inches high, the cooling unit takes up little wall space, thereby leaving more room for bottle storage. The 4000 series is engineered to perform efficiently in environments where temperature ranges between 40 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Wine cellar cooling installation of the condensing unit requires 12 inches of clear space and a 600 to 700 CFM ventilation fan when placed in an enclosed space. The CellarPro 6000S series is designed for wine rooms from 800 to 1500 cubic feet in size. The cooling unit measures 30.4 inches wide, 14.4 inches deep, and 13.2 inches high at 1/2 ton cooling power. It has a rectangular frame that fills up little wall space and thus provides room for maximum bottle storage. The evaporator unit features a variable speed centrifugal fan that provides optimum performance and ultra-quiet operation. The 6000S series can withstand temperatures ranging from 40 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The CellarPro 8000S series is custom designed for large wine cellars up to 2,000 cubic feet. The unit measures 46.4 inches wide by 14.4 inches deep by 13.2 inches high at 3/4 ton nominal cooling. The 8000S series can handle weather conditions ranging from 40 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Split wine cellar cooling installation of the evaporator unit is undertaken near the ceiling of the custom wine room, while the condenser is located somewhere else, for example the outdoors, in the garage, etc. Wine cellar cooling installation for CellarPro split systems offers 2 wiring options: single power source and dual power source. A single power source involves the condensing unit being wired to and controlled by the evaporator unit, while a dual power source utilizes a solenoid valve to control the condensing unit. A solenoid valve is an electromechanically operated valve used for controlling the flow of gas or liquid. High-performance CellarPro cooling systems offer internal and external installation options for their refrigeration equipment. In order for refrigeration systems to function efficiently, it is important to design and construct custom wine cellars with proper insulation and a moisture barrier. And thanks for watching.